Hey, what's up, there? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video here, we're just going to be looking at Laravel. So this is going to be a Laravel crash course. So we're going to just build a Todo app using Laravel. So I know it's been a long time since I posted on my YouTube channel. So something came up, so I just got back now. So without further ado, let's just get started. So what you want to do is head over to documentation here. I want to make sure you install Laravel. So we're going to be using the Laravel 11. So we're going to be using 11. So create application in Laravel. What we want to do is follow the instruction if you don't have PHP installed for Windows. If you don't have PHP installed on Linux, you don't have PHP installed. Then what you want to go ahead and do is just go ahead and install the Laravel installer. So I've done all this already. What I want to do now is just create a new project. So what I can do is I can open up my terminal. Right, I can save into want to create my project. I'm gonna play this. So I'm going to say Laravel new let's say Todo app. So this is going to create a new Laravel app. So I already have an app that's called Todo app already. So I'm just going to create that. Say Todo app from Laravel. Okay, so ask if wants to use a starter kit. He said no. So this is just a crash course. I say just use PHP unit or paste. Let's just go with paste and so on and so forth. So wait for our project to finish creating, then we'll continue from here. Alright, so the fix to that, in case you end up having the same error, is changing your log channel to stdarr. So I just saw it right. Oh, my bad. I literally just saw it right now. No, I'm just going to follow the ID. Yeah, so this is it here. This GitHub. So just followed what this guy said. Okay, so that fixed it. Alright, so you can see our code works. And what I want to do here is we're focusing on building on Laravel here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell my AI here to just code is right for me. So I'm going to say write a to-do list front end code for me in coding CSS. Right. So this basically what I'm just going to tell it, and so yes, just something. I cannot do it further on save. Sorry, okay, my bad. Okay, now it should work now. So we'll just wait for this to finish up. Alright, so it is done generating here. I can see I have an error that says to do store is not defined. So error pause. Okay, so we can see it's saying to do store not defined. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to comment this one out. For now, I'm just going to refresh. So to those is not available. So what we can do is okay, so we can do PHP at this make model. I will call this to do. I got to so we need what a migration file with it as well. So this what to do. I'm just going to say protected guarded. Okay, should be that empty then. Now migration file here, I'm just going to say what do we need? We need basically just a string, and it's completed should be what false. So now I'm going to do PHP at this migrate. So wait, let's just remove this because if completed here, I feel like this should work when you have real time. So I think I'll add that when I want to work with live wire data. But for now, I'm just going to stick with the title. Just the title is basically what we need. So we run our migration here. So now to do controller here, what I'm going to say is to do's to do, then I'll say loop test to get, then I'll compact that. Now if I refresh this, you can see we have our to-do list and our button is right here. Okay, Why are you saying no to do list is available? Okay, we don't have anyone at the moment here. So now index dot the index dot PHP, our button is here. So what I can do is I can start my button a little bit, so I can say text right over in indigo. Okay, maybe I have to run npm run there again. Alright, so let me just run this. Yep, and that is amazing. Good. So we have this one already. So now let's work on creating our to do. So the first one I want to have is what is your store method. So this store method is going to what have the request method. So say request from validating what the title. So the title is it the title here? Yeah, the title will give it. So we're saying going to say is required. We're going to create everything. So once everything is created, we'll redirect back to the index with the success, and I was saying to do has been created successfully. So right above here, what I can have is I can say okay, I can say if session, so if session has or has success, right? Yeah, now I can go ahead and just say I want to have this. So I want to have a background color green, basically styling the success message. So if I should move this, okay, right? So if I should move this to, and I show you, so this is how our success message. This is how the success alert message need to look like. Okay, so now just enter this. So it's going to hide because we've not done anything. So here we want to go ahead and make sure we pass our route to do the store. So what we want to do here, first thing we want to do is give this a name. So this will be to do's index, and we want to have to do's again. This is our store index, and this will be what to do's or store. Okay, so remember our route is to do the store here, so the name there is also going to be what to do the store. All right, and yep, so what we need to do is just give this title, which has been done already, and yeah, we can go ahead and test this. So I can say add make flutter tutorial. Okay, so I should click on add to do. So I have an error that says to do's toggle is not found. Toggles, what is to do toggles? Okay, my bad. So it thinks the checkbox. We need a checkbox. No, we don't need a checkbox. Okay, I'll just refresh this, and to do the destroy. So this is for the delete, and so we can just comment this one out. You can say we have a make photo tutorial, and you can say learn how to dance as well. To do created successfully. So this one is working, and what we can do is let's just work on that delete. So I can say probably for sure destroy to do. So we are passing the to do ID. So basically it's just going to grab the ID. Or I say delete. So I'm deleting it just like that. Then in our web here, we're going to give it for the route, the delete route. So it's going to be delete by the ID. We're going to point our controller here. So in our index here, so we're just going to return back this. So destroy is it destroy with linked it? Let's check. Yeah, I see this is destroy. So refresh now. You can see there's no error now. So if I should go ahead and delete this, I see it has been deleted. Delete this, it has been deleted as well. Let's check it again. Hello world. As you can see, it is added. It has been added. So last thing you can do is let's go ahead and add an update method. So let's add an update method at least. So you can say so you control command I in my case add update method. Okay, So going to add update method. And yep, you can just accept this. So our update method is basically going to be like the the same code is going to be like the rate controller code. So basically that is just it. Yeah, I'm just going to say add. Okay. What about, okay, let's just follow what we have here. Okay, good. So if I should refresh this, we have to do that updates is not defined. So let's go to the web, right? So we go to the web, say to do updates, and now you can refresh this. You can see we have this here. So how does this work initially? So I don't know. So let's look at our index. So we have our index pointing to that, and how does it update? Is it? So this will not work. So let's just say we need add a pen icon that redirects to update view. Okay, so add a pen icon that redirects to update view. So basically that's also what we want. So we're just going to save this. We check if we have an error. So yeah, we're going to call the update view here. It's going to be the update view as well. So we accept this, edit. Okay, and on our web as well, call the update controller. Okay, so when we click on this, sudo.edit is not found. Okay, yeah, so you need to create a new file, so we can just copy everything here. I can rename the, like I say, edit.blade.php. So we will delete all these and delete all these actually. So what we just need is the form. So we delete everything here. So the form is basically everything we need. So when I refresh this, you can see my to-do list, but this time around it's going to be edit edit the word, and this is going to have a value, so that is value to do title. So you can see it is there. Now this is going to be update. Okay, and this is going to be dot update command to do. So if that is successful, okay, return back to this. So let's say edited. So I've now says post method now is not supported for a patch or whatever it is there. So what I like doing is basically, so just stress myself, I just basically turn this to post, to be honest. Like I say, it works. Like I say, edit, hello world, update to do. You can say it works. Hello people. You can say it works. So this is how to work with. This is how to boost up your productivity using AI editor. So this is what I'll be using for the past like 2 weeks or so, and that's actually been good for me. So I'm back and I'm going to be making more tutorials. So if you like this video, please make sure you like, subscribe. See you next time. Peace.